Hi guys, welcome back, or welcome. It's 1:30 in the morning. I took a good nap. If you would have seen me, oh my god, if you would have seen me earlier, you would have been like, did she just get done? No, I took a very needed nap. It felt very nice to take that nap. Anyway, as you can see, my bed is clean. My mom literally just told me, she said, hey look, I just made a burger for you. I said, what? She was like, yeah. I was like, bet, but you gonna have to cook it yourself. I said, the betrayal. Fine, I'll cook it myself. But the thing is that I don't know how to cook a hamburger. So we finna learn today, I guess. So I said, why not just record my failure? I mean, record my trials and tribulations. Not that, record my desperation of help from you guys. No, record my success. Yeah, that's what I meant. You're gonna be coming with me today to go into the kitchen. Is it giving you You're gonna be coming with me today. You're gonna be coming with me today in the kitchen, and we're gonna be making it together because I don't know what I'm doing. For the most part. Next time you see me, we're gonna be in the kitchen. Hi, we're in the kitchen. Bro, I don't love the kitchen, but it's the kitchen. Anyway, this is where all the magic happens, where my best desires happen, where my dreams come true, where I feel most safe than my room. But anyway, let's get started. I don't know what I'm doing. I think we already set out that disclaimer, but we're gonna do what we do. Wait a minute. So I'm gonna go get the meat. First, wash your hands, actually. Get your napkin. I'm teaching kids how to wash their hands. So, and adults, because COVID. So if you hear like my ear's on, so deal with it or deal with it. I just broke. Why did she leave me doing it? Okay. I wanted to make fries too. I don't know how to do that either. So she told me, I knew to get a skillet. Handy dandy skillet. I forgot I turned the eye on and my finger just hit the eye. This is why I don't. Now I'm looking for the spatula. Where's the spatula? Found the spatula. Yeah, that's the spatula. Now we're fit to put the meat on the grill. On the grill. Fast forward. Just had a little bit. Oh my gosh, I already messed it up. Oh my gosh. I told her to do this for me. Okay, now we just waiting for it to produce some, what is it? Grease, oil. By the way, y'all, I'm using my, it ain't doing nothing. I put it back on me. I put it back on me. It smells so good. She did, I find. So now we just wait. It's not gonna turn out right. It's not gonna turn out right. I can already tell. If it turn out right, y'all owe me $30. Y'all got my stove. Sexy, huh? Oh, let's put it back on me. So what y'all do for Thanksgiving? What y'all do for 4th of July? Yeah, boo, you cooking. You cook that out. I'm just flipping it. I don't even know when it's gonna be done, to be honest. Which is fine. I'm just scary. Oh, she looked kind of done. She must be up too, but she looked done. I'm gonna get her off in a minute. Gotta always wash your lettuce, y'all. Thank you. Always wash your lettuce, guys. You didn't know why I didn't tell me. Y'all want me to burn down the house? I don't know what else to put it on, so we better put it on this. Probably like, what? No. Well, today, yes. So we're taking it off. We're gonna put it. I hope it's done. Low key. Yeah, B. Yeah, I'm gonna be real. I don't know how to put this oil. I put that with the like in the oil can. I think I don't know. I'm back. I'm back. Beautiful people. Now we're about to make fries. Yes. Okay. Well, I don't know what I'm doing. Here I go. Y'all about to watch this horrendous. This magnificent work of mine that I'm about to do. Even though y'all probably like this, will be so easy. Okay. Do I supposed to like dry these off? I don't think I should just put this in here when it's wet. I think I'm supposed to put oil in it first. It's even on more. Is that too much? I don't know. Oil and like water don't match, right? Could have sworn I heard that from somewhere. Oh my lord. Okay, what do I do? I'm sorry. What do I do? Nothing, sorry. So this is what we're gonna do in the meantime. We're gonna look at fries. I know you probably like, my shirt is tight. I had this since I was like, I don't know. This is gonna be just as boring as it was when I was making a hamburger. Well, right in here to do this. It's hardening up. You guys don't have to see that, but I want you guys to see that, so. Okay. I think they're done, yo. Even if they're not done, they're done. This is it. This is what I made, so y'all just need to get like me. But thank y'all for coming to my video. If you didn't, that's okay. I'm about to go eat, even though it's like 3 in the morning. So if you want to join me, just take your food in the room, in your living room, in your dining room. I don't know, we can just eat together, but off camera. Sorry. Like and subscribe. Go ahead go follow my other social medias. I hope y'all enjoyed it though, because I was like, let me make a video of me trying to cook. You want to take a bite? I want a bite. It's falling apart. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I ate a fry. Anyway, see y'all.